Good morning students, welcome to your maths class. In my last video, I have explained two methods for division by two-digit number. And now I'll explain both the methods with a new example. So divide, find the quotient and the remainder, check the answer as well. So here I'll take one example. Suppose we will take this one. Divide 56,703 by 41 and check the answer also. So first of all, we will write 56,703 inside the division symbol and 41 outside. We will take two digits at a time as 56. Now we can just hide digit 6 from here and digit 1 from the divisor. And see, 4 will come how many times in 5? So when we will take 4 only as a divisor, then 4 ones are 4. But actual here we have 41. So we multiply 41 by 1. So 41 ones are 41. Now we write 1 at the on the top and 41 at the bottom. We subtract and then we get 15. Now we bring down this digit 7. We get number as 157. Now we have to see how many times 41 will go in 157. Before hiding that one digit on the extreme right, let us first round off 41. Now round off 41 to 40. Now let us hide the last digit of both the numbers. Now 1 from here and 7 from here. So we have 15 and 4. And when we divide 15 by 4, then we get 4 threes are 12. So we write, now actual we have not rounded off these digits and hidden the last digit of both numbers. You would have actually divided 15 by 4 and the answer would have been 3. 4 threes are 12. Okay, and then you would have first multiply by 3. So here 41 is the divisor. 41 into 3 means 41 threes are 123. So we write 3 on top and 123 at the bottom. Subtract and then we get 34. Now we bring this 0 digit down and we get the number as 340. Now again hide the last digits, that is 0 and 1 from the divisor. Now here we have to divide 34 by 4 only. So the answer would have been 8. 8 fours are 32. Then you would have first multiply by 8. So 41 8s are 328. So we write 8 on the top and 328 at the bottom. Subtract and then we get 12. Then we bring this digit 3 down. So the number will be 123. Now again hide the last digit from the extreme right of both numbers, that is digit 3 from this number and digit 1 from the divisor. Then you would have actually divided 12 by 4 and the answer would have been 3. 4 threes are 12. So we multiply 41 by 3 only. So write 3 at the top and 123 at the bottom. Subtract and then we get 0 as the remainder. So the quotient will be 1383 and remainder is 0. This is the quotient and this one is the remainder. Now in this question we have to check the answer as well. Now children, you can compare. When we implied both methods, our calculations become smaller, so you have to be smart enough to see which method choose to where and then use it. Now in this question we also have to check the answer. So first of all, write the terms as dividend. Now dividend is equal to 56,703. Then divisor is equal to 41. Quotient is equal to 1383 and the remainder is equal to 0. Now as per the formula, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So we will put all the values, these values. We will put all the values on this side. And whatever answer we get, if that comes equal to the dividend, that means our calculations are correct. So divisor was 41, quotient was 1383 and the remainder was 0. So here in place of dividend we will write 56,703. It is equal to divisor 41 into quotient 1383 plus remainder as 0. So first of all we multiply divisor and quotient. After multiplication we get 56,703. Now plus remainder 0 as it is. Now we have to add them. Now when we are adding 0 in any number, then we will get the same number, that is 56,703. It means dividend is equal to the right side. It means our calculations are right. Okay students. So you will solve all the sums related to this in your notebook for your practice. Until we meet again, stay happy and keep learning.